Pascal at Baguio here. Now I'm close to block 4 and 3. So follow me, I will show you how it is inside. So let's see here, how it's going here. It's colorful. It's always impressive for people who come from other country to visit a place like that because there is very many everywhere. It's compact and full of color. Hello, beautiful people of Baguio. And here, that's the cool thing. People are relaxed here. They're more comfortable with camera. It's fine. We're here to promote the place, so it's only good for business also. So it's a win-win. See here, I'm on the banana side. They have many kind here. They have good price also. So it's a good place to buy your banana. And then there is after that everything here, many kind of veggies. And while it's raining a bit on and off, it's a good time to be inside and cover. And here, I don't know how much it's been affected on that section, but I guess it was because the roof have been remade. There been a fire some months ago, and I can tell you it did not stop people very long. They rebuild, they restart, and at the end it's only better now. They even make it better, so that's how people are. Garot are hard worker. They know how to progress, and we have the proof here. It's all well made, well built. I hope this place will continue to be good and improve like that it will not change, because for the local people, it's many can work here, many can buy at good price, it's accessible, so a place by the people for the people. So yeah, I like this place. It's my place. Tomatoes start to get a bit lower price now. Not at the best price of the year, but it's good. It's good. A bit more on the green side now. Cucumber, you know what? Cucumber have a good price in the Philippines. You cannot skip that one. Too much of a good value. Same for upo, very good mix with chicken. I buy that one often. And this is a place that my wife liked, the leafy part. So here you have some stores that offer leaf, okra. Okra is a very good one, popular in Philippines. And then more leafy here. More on after that here on that side it's onion, garlic, ginger. So there is more. It's only a small part that I show you. There is clothes on one side, clothes again on the other side. And then if you go more at the back, you will find like live chicken. You can find ducks, maybe many breeds. You can find everything you want. So come to Baguio. That's the end of the video. So thank you for watching. See you next time.